They're eating it. That blue one that my heart. Hide. I just need one bite and I'm getting it, but I'm not converting. And I'm trash. You got him? Is he gonna keep? Bro, hold on. Fuck this boat. Flip him if you got to. Hold on. Come here. Come on, please be fucking.
It's 14?
Yeah.
Actually, it's gonna be, I think that's 14, but it's a line buster.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hold up. Yeah, he good. You gonna keep. You said it. You right here? Let's go, big dog. You called it too. You can crank her, so I'll blow my shit up. So you put it on the middle one. So line it up. Is it lined up?
The line right here, right?
Yep.
Line on the line.
Yep. And then when you pull it,
This one.
yep, go ahead, handle your business. Give her a little gas, yeah, turn her down, yeah. And then yep, and then on the left side, give her some gas, give her some more gas, she gonna die on you. So then on the left side, you see that neutral?
Yep.
Hold on, let me
back is back drive or reverse?
Back is reverse, forward is drive. Let me put down. Hold up.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you.
Hey, where you trying to go now?
I say let's hit like a bank on some sun, on a, like main lake. If you got one in mind. I know it's that one like right when you come up, turn around this corner. A little cart.
You send it out of here? I don't know if is it deep right here?
Go ahead. Right up here. You know what I'm saying? And just want to come up and just. Fuck. No. Whew. The motor out of control. I got that bitch on a hudge. I'm like, why are you talking about?
I was thinking that bitch was kind of jumpy. Every time you get over there, I was like, that shit's pretty fucking strong. But I always, you do that strong, that fucking thing.
Nah, but I had it on 100. I'm trying to figure out why the fuck every time I'm talking about to fall off the boat. Little school of fish right there. So we have located some bait.
How deep down are
25. Hey. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Money. Them boys must be way up the lake.
Huh?
They must be way down the lake.
You can see that bubble.
Oh. Yeah, he on there. Please be a pig. He feels good. He feels really good. Oh, that's a little piggy though, ain't he though? That's a little 2.5, 3 piece right there, G.
You taking the hook out or what?
Go ahead, you got it. Go ahead. Oh, tell him stop playing with me, blood.
Oh, how you gonna do it? You throw him in there?
Keep him in the net.
Keep him in the net, keep him in the water.
Yeah, for a second.
You got no holes in the net, dude.
Nuh-uh. Oh, hold on, hey, make sure you pull the net over the boat now.
What you mean?
Like pull it back? Yeah.
I ain't letting it.
Hey.
Hayabusa shit whenever he kept
Yeah.
posting Hayabusa shit. He said every time he'd bring his fucking jig up, he said he'd have the fish follow back to the boat. So he said he just started figuring out how to deal with the swim jig. Look at what he said.
Probably fish it the same way. Like you can fish it slow or, you know, I don't know. I don't like them.
That's why I fuck with the jig. Like, you really do
Everything with it,
yeah,
right?
you can. Swim jig, football.
No.
Got it.
Big?
Fucking big.
Okay, no. My fault. Flip him, hold on, man.
It ain't.
Give
Did
him.
they say 14?
Yeah.
I don't think he's gonna keep. Damn. I don't think so. He's gonna be like 12 and a half.
Yep.
What?
Not big enough. You want to throw him back? Don't matter.
All right, toss his ass.
I apologize. Okay, we getting on something. Everybody else went all the wrong way. We come up here where it's shallow at. That's 2 fish off this point. This bank.
So,
You got another one?
nah, but I'm thinking you might want to.
Yeah, we about it, yeah.
We put up on that wall, we started getting cracked instantly.
Yeah.
We didn't even have like no.
I got one little nibble and I think it was like a little bluegill. There we go. Get up out of here.
What do you think?
Just like another little wall down here. I'll drive.
Straight ahead.
It's kind of straight, but it's a little wide down. I'll drive though.
That next channel swing type shit.
It's like, yeah, as soon as you come out of here, like when you get ready.
Left a little bit.
Yeah, I usually catch a couple off that. Just rotate. I'm gonna go check on nobody. It should be good though. Yeah, he ain't no good and shit.
I'm like this motherfucker. I ain't catching no people, bro.
Motherfucker. I get it off and it goes around another tree. God damn. Every branch in the goddamn neighborhood. There we go. Got one? Oh shit. Bring him here, bring him here, bring him here. Hold on, fuck.
Mike, swing him.
Yeah, swing him.
Hey, drop his ass.
Hey, look. These boys is healthy. Jeff did used to take me here and fish this, and I did used to catch them. But I think I only used to catch them right here when it was a lot greener. Like when it's grown up.
I'm dirty, never caught him in the grass when it was green right here. Cause I never really, I mean, I guess I also never really fish. I usually fish the island.
Which one?
I'll literally run up in that pocket right there, and then I'll come out and fish down.
I don't know, it might be a stick because I ain't got my hooks. My hook's exposed. It's coming up though. Yeah. See my hook? I got that unique that drop shot hook on there though.
What is that shit that's on all these trees?
I don't know, bro, but that shit nasty as a motherfucker. I do not like touching it. Like a fucking nutsack.
You know, it's a freeway, man. Off the bank.
Yeah, yeah. My fault. Let me get us on. Might be fishing too close.